Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter counting and number patterns. The lessons we're going to cover today are skip counting stories, skip counting puzzles, number lines up to 1000, and counting patterns up to 1000. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? Let's just start with the lesson that is skip counting stories. Each bag has two plastic beads. How many plastic beads are in 5 bags? So in each bag you have two, right? So the first bag have two, the second bag have four, the third bag, like the total you have. Each bag has two, right? In bag one you have two. When you have two bags, the total beads you have are four. When you have three bags, you have six beads. When you have four bags, you have eight beads, right? So every time you add two, 2 plus 2 makes 4, 4 plus 2 makes 6, 6 plus 2 makes 4. So for the next time, you need to add 2 to 8. So 8 plus 2 makes 10. Got it? So that means there are 10 beads in 5 bags. Let's just start with the test questions. Each box has 4 bracelets. How many bracelets in 3 boxes, right? So the first box has 4 bracelets. You have the in the second box you have 4 plus 4, right? The first 4 and the one that are in the second bag they makes 4 plus 4, so 8 beads, 8 bracelets, right? And you have another bag, so 2 bags have 8 bracelets, so you have to do 8 plus 4. So that means 3 boxes have 12 bracelets. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is 2. There are 12 bracelets. Each tin has 3 walnut cookies. How many walnut cookies are in 6 tins? So, which is the correct option? So, the first tin has 3. 3 plus 3, 2 tins have 6. 6 plus 3, 3 tins have 9. 9 plus 3, 3 tins have 4 tins have 12. 12 plus 3, 5 tins have 15. And 15 plus 3 makes 18 it is. So that means 6 tins have 18 cookies. The correct option is 18. Each tree has two sparrows. How many sparrows are in four trees? So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? So the sparrows in four trees are very good. The correct option is 8. So the in four trees have 8 sparrows. The correct option is 8. Very good. Each lake has four fish. How many fish are in six lakes? So which is the correct option? The correct option is which is the correct option? 24. The correct option is option number 1, that is 24. The correct option is 24. So that means the six lakes have 24 fish. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is each drawer in the dresser has 10 scarves. How many scarves are in four drawers? So which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, they are increasing by 10. So in the fourth drawer, they have the total scarves are 40. The correct option is 40. Each closet has five coats. How many coats are in four closets? The correct option is 20 coats. Option number 3 is the correct option, right? That is 20. Each necklace has three garnets. How many garnets are on three necklaces? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 9 garnets. Three necklaces has 9 garnets. The correct option is 9. Each pizza place has 10 waiters. How many waiters are in 3 pizza places? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 30 waiters. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is skip counting puzzles. Let's just start with the lesson. Adam skip counted beginning at 9 until he got to 34. Could he be counting by threes? So start with 9 and skip counting by 3 and see if he be counting by threes, right? So start with 9, right? 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, and 36. But you cannot see 34 here, right? That means when you're counting by threes, you don't have 34. The question is, he counted 34. But the question is, could he be counted by threes? No, he is not counting by threes, right? Because if he was counting by threes, he doesn't have 34. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Daniel skip counted by twos beginning at 10. Could he have set the number 30? So he is counting by twos and he is starting with 10, right? So 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, then 16, then 18, and then 20, right? Then 22, then 24, then 26, then 28, and 30. Yes, that means yes, he is counting. If he is counting by twos and he started with 10, he set the number 30. Got it? So the correct option is yes, it is. Alexa began at 20. She skip counted until she got 50. Could she has been counting by tens? So you have to see if he skip counting by tens, right? He started at 20. It's just skip counting by 10, right? 20, 30, 40, and 50. Yes, if she skipped counting by tens, she have 50. The correct option is yes, she skipped counting by tens. The correct option is yes. Joseph skipped counted beginning at 28 until he got to 63. Could he be counting by fours? So let's start with 28 and skip counting by fours. Let's see if we have 63, 28 and 4, 32, 32 and 4, 36, 36 and 4, 40. Then you have 44, then you have 48, 52, 56, 60, 64. No, you don't have 63, right? That means he's not skip counting by fours, right? Because he got 63, but we haven't got 63. That means he's not skip counting by fours. The correct option is no. Lara skip counted by threes, started at 57. Could she have said the number 81? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is yes. Lara is skip counting by threes. Patrick started at 20. He skip counted by fives. Could he have said the number 38? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is no. If he skip counting by fives, he doesn't count the number 38. The correct option is no. Oliver started at 62. He skip counted until he got to 80. Could he have been counting by twos? The correct option is yes, he is skip counting by twos. The correct option is yes. Option number one is the correct option. Pets skip counting by tens beginning at 10. Could she have said the number 16? You don't need to press the heart. You can just answer the questions I am asking. The correct option is no. If he skip counting by tens, she have not said the number 16. The correct option is no. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Let's just start with the next lesson, that is number lines up to 1000. Which number come just after 47? So first thing you need to do is find 47 on the number line and then look at the number that is on the right hand side of the 47. So on the right hand side of the 47 you have 48. The correct option is 48. Let's just start with the test questions. Type the missing number. So which is the number right next to 5? The correct option is 6. The next one is 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which number comes just after 658? That is 658, right? So just find the 658 on the number line and just look at the right hand side. So there you have 659. The next number is 659. Oh, just before, yes, that is 657. Type the missing number. So which number is missing? The number between 570 and 572 is, The number between 570 and 572 is 571. Option number 1 is the correct option. Type the missing number. So which number is missing? The correct option is that is 690. The last option is the correct option. Select the missing number. So which number is missing? The correct option is 942. Option number 1 is the correct option. The missing number is 942. Select the missing number. So which number is missing? The correct option is 415. Option number 1 is the correct option. Select the missing number. So which number is missing? Select the missing number. So which number is missing? Yes, the missing number is 20. The correct option is 20. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which number comes after right after 24? The correct option is right after 24, that is 25. The correct option is 24. 25. Select the missing number. So which is the missing number? The correct option is That is 318. Option number one is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. That is counting patterns up to 1000. Count forward by tens from 60. So you have to start from 60 and you need to count forward by 10. So for each next number you need to add 10. So 10 plus 60 plus 10 is 70. Then you have 80 and then you have 90. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, count forward by twos from 48. So start with 48 and count forward by twos. So 48 plus 2 is 50, 50 plus 2 is 52, and 52 plus 2 is 54. So when you count forward by twos, the numbers are 50, 52, and 54. So which option is the correct one? Option number 3 is the correct option, right? That is 50, 52, and 54. You just had need to count to 3 or 4 numbers. Count forward by tens from 10, which is the correct option. Option one, 2, 3, 4. That is 20, 30, and 40. Option number 1 is the correct option. Count forward by twos from 48. So, which is the correct option? That is 90, 92, and 94. Option number 3 is the correct option. 2, sorry. Count forward by fives from 65. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 70, 75, and 80. Option number 3 is the correct option. Count forward by tens from 20. So, which is the correct option? You are counting by tens, so 30, 40, and 50. Count forward by fives from 20, so which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that is 30, 40, and 50. Option number 3 is the correct option. Oh, you are counting by 5, sorry. That is 25, 30, and 35. When you count forward by twos from 64, they are 66, 68, and 70. Option number 3 is the correct option. Count forward by tens from 60, so which is the correct option? That is 70, 80, and 90. The last option is the correct option. Count forward by hundreds from 300. The correct option is 400, 500, and 600. That's the second one. Count forward by fives from 35. So, which is the correct option? You have to count by five. So, they are 40, 45, and 50. Option number 3 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we were working on is counting and number patterns. The lessons we have covered today are skip counting stories, skip counting puzzles, number lines up to 1000, counting patterns up to thousand. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the so if you have any questions, you can please write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.